Stop. Oh my god. Oh.
Pop it. Oh, I just bought this.
It's Nemo. It's Nemo.
Okay, guys, we're gonna take my thumbtack and pop it. Oh no!
Look at this squishy.
This is definitely gonna explode so fast.
Oh my god, Emma, just be gentle.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to be fucking aggressive.
It just popped!
I actually didn't mean to do that.
I think I just about got it all. There's a little tiny bit right here. Oh my gosh.
I think it's really nice. And it, like, squishes really well.